Our vertical packaging machines are advanced in design, combining efficiency and flexibility to help you complete packaging tasks quickly. The vertical packaging machine adopts the latest technology, which can maximize the speed and accuracy of product packaging. Equipped with a high-quality motor, specializes in the production and sales of vertical packaging machines. Our products have an automatic control system, which can realize automatic and intelligent production, and have the characteristics of high efficiency, precision, high speed, safety, etc., and have the advantages of flexible operation and convenient maintenance. In addition, our vertical packaging machine also adopts advanced vacuum technology, which can realize the continuity and high efficiency of packaging, and has the functions of moisture-proof, waterproof, air pollution-proof, etc., and effectively protects the safety of high-value items. Our vertical packaging machine has reliable working performance, reasonable price, and first-class service quality. Welcome to visit and negotiate business. We are looking forward to your arrival.